How to get a refund on Cash App. Cash App is super convenient, but what happens if you accidentally send money to the wrong person? Here are three ways to try getting a refund. Option 1. Cancel the payment. This only works if it's still pending. Open Cash App, tap the clock icon to view your activity, find the payment, and if it says pending, tap it and select cancel payment. If it's already completed, move to option 2. Request a refund. Tap the same transaction, hit the three dots in the corner, select report an issue, and choose the reason, for example, sent to the wrong person. The other person will get a message from Cash App reminding them it's against the terms to keep money sent by mistake, and they'll have the option to send it back. If that doesn't work, option 3 is to contact your bank. If the payment came directly from your debit card, your bank may reverse the charge, but Cash App might make your account balance negative or close it if you don't repay. Always double check who you're sending to, or better yet, have the other person send a payment request or scan their QR code so you know it's correct.